Hello everyone, good evening. This video is specially made for those who is finding it difficult to concentrate in their prayers. As a Christian, prayer is very vital, and as a child of God, you need to have a standard prayer in a way that when praying, after saying that prayer, your spirit will confirm that you have prayed it well. But when you did not do it well after praying, even inside you will not be satisfied. So if you're having that problem that maybe when you are praying you cannot concentrate, you'll be having a kind of divided mind, your thoughts will be going up and down. It means that you have a problem that you needed to sort out. So how do I mean? You need to do this if you're having this problem. First, when you are about to say your prayers, always remember that you are going to the Most High. Nobody is greater than Him. He is the first and last. In fact, He is the highest. There is nobody to compare Him with. You are going to the highest person. So the way you carry yourself, comport yourself, there is humble. Bring down all that ego on you. Just come and know that this person is not a man. Not to talk of levels. Okay. After that, the second step is do not be in a haste to finish in that prayer. Don't rush your prayers. Give God full time while praying. Just the way you will handle the way you will watch a movie that is so interesting, you are enjoying so much. You would like to see the end of that movie. You will keep watching till the end of the movie. You will pay all your attention to see the end of it. Just the way you will mind that kind of thing, that is how you're supposed to mind as well your prayers when you are praying. The third one is that you need to surrender yourself. Surrender to your spirit, because if the spirit is the leader, is leading your prayer, that means that your prayer surely is going direct to God, because we can only reach God through the spirit, because God Himself is the spirit. We cannot reach Him by our carnally or by the flesh. When you are praying in flesh, you cannot reach God, but when you are in spirit, definitely your prayer will reach to Him. So therefore, when we are praying, we need to make that spirit to be in charge so that our prayer will reach to Him. It is very important to know that as a Christian, as a child of God, generally, as a child of God, you need to pray earnestly. You need to pray well so that you can have a kind of close relationship with God, because that's the only way we reach Him. So I believe that with this small word from me, that you have gotten an insight to tackle your prayer life, especially when you cannot concentrate while praying. You try these 3 keys, and I believe it will help you to have a vital prayer while you are praying. It will help you so much. So I have tried it when I was having that issue with me. I tried it and it worked out for me. Even though that praying is not easy, it is very difficult when you are not in spirit. But once the grace is there, I assure you, you'll like to pray even. But when the spirit is not there, you'll be finding it difficult. So thank you so much for watching this video. I believe that the next one, I will still see you there. May God bless you as we are supporting what we are doing, listening. I pray that God will bless you from now and eternity. Amen.